Hindi sapat yung transactional selling.
Mm.
Ano ba talaga ang relationship selling at paano ito nagiging susi sa success ng isang negosyo?
Well, transactional selling basically, ano ba to? Benta, bayad, tapos.
Okay.
Wala tayong relasyon, hanggang dito lang tayo. Pumirma ka na, we do the deal, close the deal, tapos na. So, what is relationship selling? Relationship selling is actually building trust, connection, and giving value to your clients. Kailangan mo makausap yung kliyente mo eh. Hindi yung naghahanap siya ng ganito, ito na po yung quote. What I do with relationship selling, I talk to my client, inaalam ko, paano ko ba matutulungan tong kliyente na to? Baka din meron siyang hindi nakikita na pwede kong maibigay yung value sa kanya. No? And of course, nagkakaroon ka ng may resell ka, may referral ka, nag-grow yung branding mo, 'di ba? Kasi dapat genuine ka when you deal with the client. Tao 'yan eh. Hindi naman 'yan robot eh.
Tama.
'Di ba? When you give that value to your client, maaalala ka nila eh. Ikaw yung magiging first in mind nila, 'di ba? And that's part of your branding. Yung heart mo with what you do, kakaibiganin mo yung client mo, not because client mo siya. I mean, not because meron kayong dealings, no? But really yung pagiging genuine mo sa kliyente. That would bring your business to skyrocket sales. Of course, syempre dapat they also know na expert ka dun sa ginagawa mo.